First, let me hop out the motherfucker Porsche. I don't wanna hit that long shit like a horse. I be ballin' on this.
Good morning, people. Good morning. I look weird. Marshall is here.
Yeah, she gonna do my face. Me have my other best friend, sister, when you go there. So she put me on fleek.
So, I'm waiting on her from when she go.
She
Okay. Let me see.
so you can do it. See, the earlier do
She going to a wedding. She trying to be flaky. And I'm gonna try and get the vlog up to tonight, but it would be late tonight or early morning because I never have nothing for vlog yesterday. Yeah, I'm gonna do she and her friend coming as well in a bit, so I'm gonna do them both. And my aunt is here and my cousin them there and mommy a cook, and yeah. So yeah, it's Emancipation Day. Yeah, I never tell the guys that, but see my auntie there. See my auntie there. That's my mommy's sister. Only can see the resemblance. Yeah. and those are her children or cousins. Amoy. Say hi, Amoy. and this is Gio. Say hi, Gio. Say hi, no? Say hi to the vlog world.
Hi, Gio.
No, just say hi, vlog world.
Hi, vlog world.
Yes, a vlog world.
And so show me the over there, sir. Stop going, Summer. Stop going, sir. See this girl? On fleek. She did the crusher. Is it fear here? She curled up with the rods and stuff. We are going so far. We are going to Edna, not Edna Earth. Yeah, Edna Earth. So Lisa, this number. Oh yeah, Lisa. That's her name, Lisa.
I'm on.
So turn case there. I'm gonna be, huh? She inside. So I'm gonna put my turn case there, so because as I'm telling I'm going to Marshall and her friends makeup for the wedding. So yeah, but no. Feel like we're trying to play some music.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can. Which part of the CD them there?
Your own seed.
No man. Mommy make fritters.
It's not fritters, it's dumpling.
Fried dumpling.
Spoon dumpling.
People are really so accustomed to that term.
Yeah, let me know it. Don't part.
And Kalalu.
You feel it hot? Move your hand.
If you're more, so you're gonna use for liquid concealer.
I know concealer, it's a foundation.
You put the foundation first, put the concealer.
Hi.
Yeah,
Say something, Swan. Say something, Swan.
Hair.
No!
Don't water. Holy water. Yes, get it aspirate.
Take it out.
Yeah. Yeah. Tell them, mommy. Yeah. You have the camera, yeah, talk. But when Swan have it, yeah, runner.
Yeah.
Yeah, just like me more. Yeah.
Don't say that. Don't say that. Can't say that.
But I have more vibes than Swan. Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Tell the truth.
Original, man. But you don't know Swan coming like say a she name.
Miss Proper and Miss Chris.
Swan coming like say she the president. You know more time. You know more around really attack up in front of Obama them time.
My girl.
Not yet. Shami, don't vlog with the flash on, you vlog with the flood.
Can you done? Or she hasn't? Oh.
See her here, guys. I finished with her. Say hi.
Hola.
She on fleek. outfit of the day. So that's what she's wearing to the wedding. Turn around now. Yeah, my 360 view. Yes. 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 Please, I'm getting a close up on her face. Yeah. I did that. So, we're gonna know. Oh, I'm gonna take some picture. We're gonna take some picture. Oh, she gone. You didn't want to see mommy a while ago. What you say? Yeah, if you wanna make sure, you know. Alright, bye.
Yeah, no.
So she's up. Why, mommy? Why?
What do you want to get her outfit?
I want it. No, I got it in the vlog. Yeah, I got it. I got it.
Wow.
Where you push me for?
Inside now.
Where you push me for, mommy?
Yeah, but the gather or something?
Move it over.
You know what? Mommy treat me nice on the camera. Watch the clip of me, though.
No.
Watch it. Yeah, one bulla me. National bulla. With cheese.
National bulla.
With cheese.
I can't even name the vlog so because them say bulla mean fish a one country.
What?
I which country? Trinidad. I think.
Fish?
Caribbean country.
Yeah. If you say bulla, that it mean. So me ear. So that's how it go, guys. Any Trini out there watching this, tell me if I say it. I saw me ear, man. I know.
Ginger bulla. See
Okay, let me taste it.
Want taste?
Yeah. It look like bun do.
Yes.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You crave with the national bulla. Yeah.
I want to beat you. You have money for you.
With what?
200 and another for the salad of cheese. And I could have get cheese in a bag. They said I'm money now. Sorry, same so. What are you
So now your cheese.
You don't know how to shop.
Now your cheese is
See one big
what
cheese.
cheese? So cut off the cheese now, what for?
Yes, now you're dumb.
Yeah, I think it's vegetable rice, you said. Yeah. So y'all guys, excitement to go on. I know that I come out here, I'm not hear nothing going on. They want a picture.
Okay. Yeah, one more excitement because we said going back biggest problem is dental. So everybody's coming from
I'm with it. This is what people do on a daily. You know, them bathe, them put on clothes, and them just take a million pictures. What is man? They want calling her name. Why calling her? Don't call her. What you supposed to do? I'm not leave you alone.
Yeah. The phone clear.
Yes.
Answer by Tio. Man, answer my by Tio.
I'm in the process of editing this vlog as you guys like, as I speak right here. I'm editing it right now. I don't know. I think for the general vlog time, I'm gonna keep it like between like 10 to 15 minutes. Just that it's not too long. Let me know if you prefer longer vlogs or if y'all prefer the like 10 or 15 minute vlogs. Let me know what y'all prefer. Comment it down below and things. But yeah, that's what's up today. I've been wanting to go out though, like go to the club, like go clubbing, but I don't know, even I done yet. Anything can happen. Oh, them leaving. They're leaving now. Say bye. Say bye again, Lisa. So I'll see you guys. Oh, you say next week? Next week?
Yeah,
Confirm with me Thursday. Sure. So
That's a good vlog as well. That's a good vlog. Bye. Bye.
You have $120 you're rich,
That's
man.
a bus
You're
fare.
rich.
That's a bus fare.
Why you gotta kill a vibe though? You said you got 100. Again? Them never here.
Big up on yourself and one of them. Any one of them. Any of them.
So she doing her little
Jesus
brow.
have mercy.